Welcome to the Smart Fit. Today we're making a cobbler. Yes, specifically a cherry cobbler made with fresh cherries, but you can also use any berry you like or even peaches, pears, and apples. The freshly picked tart cherries and sweetened biscuit-like topping are a perfect match, and if you're feeling extra, add a scoop of vanilla ice cream. This is an easy and fast recipe guaranteed to satisfy any dessert-loving person you know. Enough talking, let's do this. For this cobbler recipe, we need cherry, sugar, flour, baking powder, unsalted butter, milk, and a little more sugar. Pitting the cherries. If you don't have a fancy gadget that pits cherries, don't worry. All you need is a straw. Take a cherry and remove the stem. Now carefully press and twist the bottom end of the straw into the cherry top to bottom. Make sure your hand is not covering the bottom end of the cherry or you could pit your hand. That's it. The pits just fly out the other end. So this is an easy job, but it is messy, so I'm gonna break out the gloves to keep the hands clean. Press, pop, cherry pits come out. Repeat with the rest until you're finished, and these do stain, so just watch out for that. Preheat your oven to 175°C and 60 minutes. While that's preheating and with the cherries pitted, we're ready to assemble. Here we have 330 grams of cherry. Plop 110 grams of unsalted butter into a 23 by 33 centimeter baking dish. Place that in the oven for 5 minutes to melt the butter. All right, in a large bowl, mix 120 grams of flour, 220 grams of white sugar, and 5 grams of baking powder. Whisk that together before adding 250 milliliters of milk and mix all of that together.
3, 2, 1.
I'm sure we'll come out with a version 2.0 for this cherry cobbler, but looking at it right now, in retrospect, I'd probably cut the sugar in half. So give that a try and let me know how it goes. Don't worry about undermixing, just don't overmix. To macerate the cherries, add 165 grams of white sugar. If you have any doubts, all of the ingredients in the step-by-step process are in the description below. And 15 grams of flour and mix so they're all well coated. The whole purpose of the maceration process is to bring the cherry juice out. To bring that flavor, make it pop so that once it's baked, everything is delicious. 5 minutes have passed and the butter is melted, so we take the dish out. This is the best part of the cobbler. It's a pour and go type dish. So pour your batter in evenly throughout, but do not mix. Next, do the same with the cherries. You're not mixing this either, so just make sure you spread them out evenly on the first go. Bam, bam, just look at all that sugar fall. That's it, for real. As it bakes, everything mixes on its own, giving it a unique bite every time. Place that in the oven to bake for 60 minutes, or 1 hour if you wish. And when you come back, you'll have this bubbly goodness. Just to make sure the dough/biscuit is cooked, make sure the toothpick comes out clean after placing it into the center. The hardest part is now, waiting for it to completely cool. If you try to eat this now, you'll scorch your mouth. If you wait though, for it all to come together as it cools, you'll be left with this fluffy, sweet, tart, and sticky summer dessert. Cobbler's not supposed to be perfect and is best served in a bowl so you can capture every bite. Like I said, top it with a scoop of vanilla ice cream and enjoy. What's your favorite cobbler? Let us know in the comments below. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the little bell icon so you know when we share more recipes. Don't mind us as we dig into this delicious dessert. Oh, that does not disappoint. Dream it, learn it, do it.